welcome back. It's a new day. Pit Supply Co. on YouTube. Today, we're rolling out to Willow Springs International Raceway for a little event getting thrown out there by our buddy Rob. Flavor Express and Booty Hustlers collab. It's a drift event. We're going to be on Horse Thief Mile, which is a favorite amongst all the Southern California drifters. People come out here from other places and they get out there and they just love it. Lots of elevation. So we'll see like what kind of turnout we got this weekend. We're also going to be at the balcony doing a little shakedown on the Ecoboost here with the Wisefab. We really didn't bring a lot of tires. We just want to make sure that we don't have any rubbing or clearance issues and get a little feel for how the car handles. I normally run Zestino. I'm also a Zestino tire dealer, so if you need some drift tires, you can hit me up. I'd appreciate that. Yeah, we're not running Zestinos. We had some old, I think, Kendas on this car on our gold wheels. We're just really trying to burn those off, and then after that, we'll get down and we'll do some real testing and see what this car can do on a good new set of Zestino tires. But for today, you know, we only need a couple laps. We don't really need to go out there and try to kill it. So we'll see what the day, the weekend holds for us. It's a pretty chilly day, pretty chilly weekend, and it's nice to not be 120 degrees out here. So I think right now we're below 40 degrees right now at 8 o'clock in the morning. It was a cold night. Anybody camping out there is probably freezing. We're gonna go out there and have a good time, see what we can do here. All right, rolling into Willow Springs, baby. Let's see. What's up, dude? You're good. Thanks. Yeah, back into Willow. Here we are. Pitch in place. So when you come in the track, you make a left and a left. And you want to go around the outer access road. You can go either way, but you want to go around the outer access road clockwise if you're trying to get up to the balcony. If you want the scenic route, you go counterclockwise and go around Big Willow, past Streets of Willow. And what do we got here? Well, we got some people up here.
I sent out a schedule, I think on like Wednesday, probably Wednesday, to the people who had registered already. So if you didn't get it, please check your emails. Or the schedule is simple, right? Track's hot at 9, lunch break at 12:30, and then we're back hot again at 1, and then track is shut down at 5. So yeah, that's really about it, you guys. Thank you again for coming out, and let's get this day going.
All right, here we go. Willow Springs balcony. We are gonna shake this Wisefab down. See what she's got. Make sure there's no rubbing. Make sure there's no binding. Make sure it drifts. Oh, a little crazy there. Yeah, not bad. A little corded on the inside, but for what we're doing, little shakedown, seems all right. Well, first impressions is car feels pretty light and no rubbing. Feels pretty drivable. Grip. There's some tires. Yeah, dude, I like it. The little Ecoboost rips. First impressions. Maybe like a little bouncy in the back. Yeah. You know, it's really old tires, so makes you wonder. Makes you wonder what a better set of tires would be. We are not on my Zestinos. I just had some scrubs laying around I wanted to use to kind of break this thing in. Fuck. Well, it's a drift car now. Fuck.
You did put the high steer on it, didn't you?
Son bitch.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
Look cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, first impressions. Good. Angle kit's good. First impressions, but it's now officially a drift car. Yeah, she was going good till I had a D-Lam on my Kendas, some old Kendas I had laying around. So lots of rubber. There's some scratches. We're gonna have to try to buff those out, but I think most of the rubber's gonna come off. A little bit of paint damage right there. But man, a little Ecoboost on the Wisefab rips.